What is up, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to integrate Amazon Lex with Facebook Messenger. So it's pretty simple. First, you're going to want to select your bot. So we're going to do Angry Bot. We're going to go to Channels. Make sure you select Facebook. So these are different, integrations built in with Amazon Web Services. Make sure you select Facebook or else it's not going to work. So then what you want to do is you want to go to Google and type Facebook for developers. You'll get this home page. You'll go to My Apps. You'll add a new app. So we're just going to call this AWS tutorial or something along those lines if we can get it to load. And you want to make sure you go ahead and build a page on Facebook because you're going to need that for this to work. So go build a page on Facebook. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this here. Add new app. Okay, so we're just going to call this AWS CloudTrail Tutorial Lex. So we'll just copy that. Create app ID. It's going to ask us to enter the security check. So we'll enter that in. Should bring us to a page here, and we're going to go through Messenger. So we're going to click Messenger Setup. Okay, so here we are. We're going to go to Settings, Basic. We're going to go ahead and we need the channel name, so we're just going to copy and paste AWS CloudTrail or Cloud Tutorial Lex. We're going to just call that the same in this description. IAM role, it's automatically going to give you one to give Amazon access. KMS key, just select the default one. You got to select that. Alias, Angry Bot. That's the bot we want to do. Verified token. Now this is something you just want to remember. So I'll make mine, I'll just make this the same thing just to be consistent. So AWS Cloud Tutorial Lex is my verified token. Now page access token is why you need a page. So what you'll do is you'll go to Messenger, Settings, and you'll find the select a page. You'll select your page you made. You're going to want to log in and click OK. It's going to generate a page access token. You just click it and it'll copy it to your clipboard. You go to page access token, you'll paste it in. Now you need an app secret key. So you go back to Settings, Basic. And the app secret key is right here. You'll click show. You'll have to enter your Facebook password to get it. Copy it. Go back. Paste it. Okay, so now you got all this filled out. You'll click activate. It is now created. So what we'll do is we'll copy this endpoint URL. Now we go back to Facebook. We go to Messenger Settings. We're going to go ahead and scroll on down. We're going to set up a webhook. So we copy and paste that URL. Now you'll want to do that verify token. So you're going to want to remember what it's called. So it's AWS Cloud Tutorial Lex. I believe that's a capital C. And then you'll click the subscription field messages. So verify and save. And it'll take just a minute to refresh. Select a page, AWS tutorial, and subscribe. And we are good to go. So that's all you need to do. Now if we come over, we refresh. Now on the page we set up, this should work pretty much immediately. So let's go ahead and we need to add a button here first. Add a page button, message next. That's fine. Finish. Okay. So let's go and send this a message and see if it works. So we're going to hover over it, test button, and put how are you? I'm extremely upset. Quit talking to me. As you can see, our Angry Bot is working. We're going to ask it again. How are you? How are you? And as you can see, it's got varied responses just like we programmed. We can also ask it favorite drink. So we programmed it in one of our other videos. Is your favorite soda Sprite? No. Good. Then that's what mine is. So as you can see, it works. It's very simple. That's how you integrate Amazon Lex with Facebook. So if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. Leave a like, subscribe, more tutorials coming soon. See you guys.